Welcome to Miami.
I like the bridge, the towers. It's whoa.
Yeah.
The visual was nice. Which bridge we couldn't pass because our mast is 80 feet.
Yeah, it's
And the bridge,
65.
but we got to 15 anyways.
We dropped the anchor and in Key Biscayne. Keep going reverse now.
Reverse.
How many meters?
12 meters.
Are you in reverse?
Yes. Almost 17. 16.8.
20?
19. 20. Still in reverse.
Yeah, it's dragging to the city, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna put in neutral.
Took the dinghy, went and explored the Miami River and downtown Miami. There's a lot going on there. One night in an anchorage, so that's always a little frightening. We don't like lightning. Most things on the water we can handle, and I think that's like the only thing that really terrifies me. I just don't want to get hit, hurt the boat, or hurt one of us. It is shallow in the bay, so we were trying to watch the charts and everything, but we did take a shortcut once and got into like 6 feet of water, and our draft is like 4.5, so it was a little scary there for a few minutes. But we followed another local boat, big fishing boat.
He knows the route.
Miami was great. I'd recommend it for anybody who wants to check it out. Miami River is cool. There are some restaurants and bars you can take via the boat, but you have to have like a reservation.
Yeah, by then it was a little bit hard. No place to park, almost, right?
Yeah, it was kind of funky. We ended up not finding a place to eat because we didn't want to keep going up the river. But we went to 2 or 3 places, but there was larger yachts there, so they didn't have room for us. But I'm glad we got to see it. The channel to the river, the Miami River, lots of big buildings and really cool architecture, amazing buildings, and more bridges.
Very much new, right?
It seemed pretty
Everything
new.
new.
Yeah, it was nice. I liked it.